Welcome to this episode of Mr. Lehman's Knowledge Explosion. The purpose of this video lesson is to begin building our vocabulary in geometry. While most of these terms will seem simple, it is essential you understand how to use them correctly and label diagrams correctly. Let's begin with the word collinear. The definition of collinear is being on the same line. Thus, if I make point A and point B and can connect them with a line, they are considered collinear because they are on the same line. If I place point C over here, it is not collinear with A and B. However, 2 points will always be collinear because I can always connect 2 points with one line. A and C are collinear, B and C are collinear, but A, B, and C at the same time cannot all be hit with one line, so they are not collinear as a set. The definition of coplanar is being on the same plane. All the points I place in the screen are coplanar because they all lie on the same surface. We will spend some time discussing coplanar in 3 dimensions in class. The definition of between in geometry is similar to what we consider it in any other context, somewhere in the inside of 2 points. The only addition to this definition is that the points between the 2 points must be collinear with those 2 points. In this example, point C is between points A and B because all 3 points are collinear and C is on the inside area of A and B. Point D, however, is not between A and B because it is not collinear with those points. Hopefully you have taken notice how each word is used to define a new word. Collinear helped us define between, and now we will use the word between to help us identify the difference between a line and a line segment. The definition of line segment is all the points between 2 given points. For example, segment AB is all the points between A and B on line AB. To correctly label a line segment, we use the 2 given endpoints with a bar above them to denote a segment, instead of a line with arrows which shows a line extending in both directions infinitely. A ray is one initial point and then all the points extending infinitely in one direction. For example, ray AB has the initial point A and all the points included in the same direction of point B. Be exceptionally careful in labeling rays. The first letter of a ray always shows the starting point, and the second letter shows direction. Thus, ray AB is a different figure from ray BA. The words opposite rays refers to rays that share the same initial point but extend in different directions along the same line. For example, if C is between points A and B, then ray CA and ray CB are opposite rays. Please note, ray AB and ray BA are not opposite rays just because they point in opposite directions. They are not considered opposite rays because they do not share the same starting point. Our last definition is intersect, which means to have one or more points in common. In this example, you can see line AB and line BC intersect because they share point B. Based on the vocabulary that we've discussed, see if you can draw the following sketches. You can click on my examples to check your work, but realize there are a variety of ways to make an accurate sketch.